Devin! Danny changed all the cooking show scripts. Sprout made a fool out of himself, and the show was a misery. Nobody watches the show anyways. I'm gonna show you what they want to see. Sam! Devin! You two fighting again? Sam, we know about your anger issues, but we need professionalism. It's the 3rd time this week. Danny keeps making trouble, sir. McLaughlin, problems between tunes. Stays between tunes. Mr. Arthur, please let me. If the problems between Dandy and Sprout keep growing, we'll fire both of you. What? They need this job, sir. I've already made a decision. Sam! McLaughlin? Dandy. Ah! Dandy, I heard about what you did with the scripts. Oh dear, Mr. Devin, I'm so sorry. I just wanted to help. However, I am not angry, but I'm going to ask you something. I need you to get rid of Sprout. Get rid of Sprout? What does that even mean? He's my friend. I can't do that. He's not your friend, Dandy. He's a crybaby. If you don't, I'll lose my job because of you. Mr. Devin, I need Sprout. We all need Sprout. L001, I gave you an order. Pebble, you've been a good boy lately. Let me give you a little prize. Look what I brought for you. Do you like it? I heard that they limit you to only eat certain foods. I don't know why. You seem to really like strawberries. I know why. Pets, are you hungry? Obviously you are. This little boy wants breakfast. Let's get you something to eat. Huh? Oh, of course, I forgot to take a shower last night. Let it be our secret. Pebble? Pebble, let me go. Oh! Sprout! We're going! What the... What happened?
Why aren't you doing anything?
Do something.
Cosmo, it's hurting him. Do something, Cosmo. Why aren't you doing anything?
It's hurting him. Come on. Cosmo! I need you! Oh, right. Let's pull at the count of 3. Tisha, I don't think... Cosmo, hold on tight. It hurts. I know, sweetie. I know. Keep calm. You're safe. On the count of 3. 3, 2, 1. You guys saw Sprout. Fuck! Cosmo, pull! Pebble, stop! Sprout, what happened? Sprout is enough. We need to see a handler. Sprout, please, it must have been an accident. Did you see my arm? How was that an accident? I know.
Sarah,
please
let
me put Baka.
He called her a bitch.
Wait, so you're telling me Pebble went after Sprout? Yeah, that's what we saw. Then he tore the skin off his arm? Exactly, Pebble would never do that. There's only one way. Shannon? Guys, listen closely. You're special. Delilah had no other choice but to create you using sweetness or edible ingredients. Pebble tasted food beyond what the rules allow. That's why his sense of smell picked up the sweetness in Sprout's blood. Your blood is different from normal tunes. You have sweet blood. Sweet blood? Pebble looked pretty wild. He seemed like he was starving, like he just needed to taste something new. Does that mean Sprout, me, and the others could be attacked too? We can die?
Are they gonna eat us?
No, no one's gonna eat you. We'll make sure no one else but Pebble knows about our blood. We just need to isolate Pebble before anyone else tastes Sprout blood. Devin, what did you do? Wait. Huh? Goob? Cosmo! You okay? We gotta go! Get up, quick! We gotta go.
Ow.
Sorry. Help! Ah! Dandy! Shelly! V! Astro! Help us!
What's going
What? They're gonna eat Sprout! Oh, Sprout, you're hungry. Oh, crap.
Dude, was that necessary? You're just trying to show off your powers.
It's the only way I can help our friend. Can mains do that? What the hell was that? We're food to them. They want to eat us. We have to find the others now. Eat us? That's what I said. We need to find Ginger, Shrimp. Wait. You almost died and you still want to run out there? What do you want me to hide? Oh, you're not making any sense. I can attack anyone at any time. I need to protect them. I think Astro's right. Let's just hide and let the others find them. They will be okay. Why you misunderstood prima, eh? Don't ever raise your voice at me like that ever again. Ever. I'm sorry, Cosmo. I didn't mean to. I'll go with you. I guess that's fine. Cosmo's staying with us.
Go find the others. Bring them back safe.
Do you think we can still reach anyone who hasn't tasted the blood yet? Blood? Whose blood? Let's regroup. We'll explain everything then.
I couldn't even recognize Scraps.
They look like monsters. They've lost it. Sprout, Dandy, be careful. Cosmo, please don't leave their side. I'll be fine, alone or not. Just please remember, they're after you, not them. I know, promise me you'll bring Ginger back safe. I promise. Sprout, let's go. Ginger, Sprout! It was hard work, but we found them safe and sound. Hello, everyone. We're back. Oh, thank God you're okay. I was so worried about you. Yeah, well, that all happened.
Wow.
So just like you and Ginger. Tegan. Tegan, where is Toodles? Did you see her? Sprout said everyone out there turned into monsters. Roger and I were arguing, what if she's one of them too? Or maybe she's not a monster. How can you be so sure? What if she tasted Sprout's blood? She would never do that, Glisten. She's just an innocent little girl. Yeah, I'm probably some insane, bloodthirsty freak. She's not a cannibal. I'm going out there, find her. She's still out there. What? Go out there. Are you out of your mind? Shrimpo, let me go. If you go out, you die. They'll taste more blood and we'll all be done for. so no one will be able to come and get you. You don't need to be saved. I'd rather die than stay here with a bunch of selfish cowards who don't care about the life of a little girl. That child is going to eat you alive. Crazy bitch. Toodles? Oh, Toodles, sweetie, there you are. I was so worried. I knew you were just lost. Come with me. I'll take you to the others. You'll be safe. I'll prove to them that you're not a monster, sweetheart. Come with Tegan.